Hello, I am Dr. Ray, and I appreciate you watching this video. I'm going to share information about the upcoming workshop called Living Your Life as an Artist and Expert with Your Own Mind. Sound interested? So before I go into that and talk about what you might get from the workshop, people sometimes ask why it is that you do these workshops because you're only charging $12. Yes, it's pretty cheap. And if you were to go to other workshops, more often they're really long and maybe there's a lot of talking and maybe one or two techniques and that is it. In my short little workshops, it allows people to basically get off work if you are working and be there for 2.5 hours, and usually there's 2 to 3 techniques, there's talking, there's a lot of interaction, and for the most part people get something out of it and they have fun. So the reason why I put on these workshops is so I can connect to more people, so people have the opportunity to hear the new information that is available for them, and also it's just something I like doing. It's a lot of fun, so hopefully I will see it in one of these workshops. What I'd like to do is just go through some of the topics we'll be covering at this workshop, and the first one is identifying your inner speech. What do you say to yourself throughout the day? Do you know that most people have over 100,000 thoughts a day, and 75% of those thoughts are about yesterday? So imagine that. And I do not know how they actually did the test on that. Like, was there someone in a laboratory going, okay, there's one thought, there's another thought, there's another thought? I have no idea. So if you're asking that question, I am too. The next topic is awakening your creative self. More than often, we are so serious and we're more about our career and making money and more the doing, and yet that blocks us from our creative flow. How much fun are you having in life? So how in touch are you in that? And if you are an artist, are you awake or are you stressed out? Because if you're in survival mode, you're not going to really sit down and paint. Next topic is understand the here and now. And a big part of what I teach is about understanding the here and now, and that is being able to be present and experience life now. Because for the most part, when people are anxious, they're projecting out into the future. And when people are depressed and complaining, they're stuck in the past. So when you are in the now, more than often that's where magic happens. That's where you are able to see things with clarity and not convolute new experiences by old beliefs. Because even when you project out into the future, it's based on thoughts that you learned before. And is that serving you? Next topic is learn how to become more mindful and more centered, which is going to incorporate some meditation techniques and help you understand your mind much better so you can have both subjective and objective experiences. Imagine being able to be in a situation where you can feel it but also rise above your body and be objective so you make better decisions and feel better about yourself. Now the last one is put in your intention to work in all areas in your life, because when it comes down to the core of this work is so you're happy. It's so you really engage in life from a much conscious perspective. And so when I teach these workshops, you can use it in all areas in your life. So that's what you'll be getting at my upcoming workshop. I do hope to see you there. And again, that is called Living Your Life as an Artist and an Expert in Your Own Mind. I hope to see you there. Thank you.